Welcome back. AICC President Sonia Gandhi is likely to address a public meet on 8th April. However, GPCC is still doubtful about the venue for the meeting. Sources in Congress informed that party bigwigs are reluctant to hold the mega meeting in Goa, fearing lukewarm response. On the other side, Sonia Gandhi has cleared her schedule for the meet in Goa.
All India Congress Committee President Sonia Gandhi is likely to address a public meeting in the state. Party officials from Delhi have cleared the date and time to Goa Pradesh Congress Committee. According to the sources, Sonia Gandhi's public rally was being planned on the Kampal ground in Panji. But GPCC wants to hold the meeting at Lohia Maidan in Madgaon. However, the venue is not free on 8th April. GPCC President John Fernandez informed that committee has not yet finalized the venue for the meet. Highly placed sources in Congress informed that bigwigs from Congress party are not ready to hold public meeting of Sonia Gandhi in Goa. Many fear about the public response as compared to Modi's rally. Leaders are not sure about the response to the rally from the bigwig crowd puller MLAs as they themselves are unsure and confused. Some party leaders are apprehensive after the fiasco at the Prime Minister Manmohan Singh's meeting at Sankli held during the past assembly poll. Meanwhile, Congress MLA Movin Gudino's supporters are openly supporting BJP candidate Narendra Sawoykar in Mormugao. Heavyweight leader of Congress Churchill Alemao has quit Congress and joined the Trinamool. This has raised apprehensions about crowd-pulling capacity of the Pradesh Congress leaders. In this scenario, Vishwajit Rane is the only leader who can gather large crowd for such a high-profile rally. Congress party is now in dilemma whether to hold the public meeting in Goa, that too of their party high command and within such a short span of time. Reporter Mahesh Gadi for Prudent.
The fast-track court has adjourned hearing on the anticipatory bail petition of the tainted headmistress of Talegaon-based Royal High School, Maria Zita Afonso, for Monday. Parents of victim children have filed a complaint with Panji police alleging that a goon threatened them in the court premises. Parents are alleging that the accused headmistress may take revenge.
During the hearing on the anticipatory bail petition of Maria Zita Afonso on Friday, parents of victim children filed an intervention application. In their application, parents have pleaded to the court to hear them before deciding Afonso's anticipatory bail. The defense side sought time to reply on parents' application and the court adjourned hearing for Monday.
आज कोर्टान आमकां डेट दिली, आज 2 टायमिंग दिल्लो, पण 2 तेंच्या एडवोकेटाक जमना आनी फाल्यांचो टायमिंग घेतलो. तेन्ना तेणी सांगलें आपण फाल्यां फूल डे आउट ऑफ पेंजीम आसा, सो पोस्टपोन केला मंडे.
Parents of victim children allege that while they were waiting in the court premises, a Talegaon resident goon, namely Paulo, threatened them.
आमी 2 मेंबर कोर्टा समोर उबे आशिल्ले, हांव आनी संतोष. सो सडनली तो एक भुरगो येयलो, आमी ताका नांवान वळखना, बाय फेसान वळखता. तो आयलो आनी म्हणपाक लागलो, तुमच्या चेअरमॅनाक सांबाळून राव, सांग फाल्यां तुमी रडपाक बसनाका. सो आमी ही गजाल आमच्या एडवोकेटाक पब्लीक प्रोसिक्युटराक सांगलें. तेणी सांगलें तुमी आत्ताच कित्याक सांगूना, आपण एक कोर्टान ते हे करतले आसले, सो आत्ताच्या आत्ता वचा आनी तुमी केस फायल करा म्हणून सांगलें.
Later, they filed a complaint with Panji police. Panji police says that they are investigating the matter. Maria Zita Afonso is facing charge of torture to the school students. Following parents' demand, she has been sent on a leave till the probe is on. Reporter Mukesh Kumar with video journalist Tulsidas Chari for Prudent.
A female leopard was caught in the INS Hansa base area at Bogmalo. The forest officials had laid a trap a day before and it got trapped. The animal is not hurt. Seems like after media pressure, Forest Department has pulled up its socks to rescue the wildcat from human conflict.
A female leopard aged around 2.5-year-old was caught at INS Hansa base at Bogmalo. Navy officials had informed the Forest Department about the existence of the leopard in the area. Forest Department had laid a trap and it was caught.
We come yesterday only and we laid a trap, and today morning we got the news that the leopard was trapped. Madgaon office an varta आणि मागीर आमचे RFO DCF ते डिस्कस करून they will decide where to release it. One of
What
our
is the age of the
wildlife
leopard?
sanctuaries. 2.5 years, female, sub-adult.
Now we've been having this leopard over here for the last few days, and we had contacted the forest department, and they sent us a cage. We set up the cage in a place where we thought the leopard would visit, and in a matter of 2 days we have been able to trap the leopard. Fortunately, the leopard is not hurt. It is in good shape, and we are handing it back to the forest department.
Earlier too, leopards were seen in this area. After a lot of media pressure and recent deaths of leopards in the state, seems like the forest department has pulled up the socks to rescue the wild cat from human conflict. Our reporter Dishan Parab for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.